Question number 24. A planet P has a diameter 1/3 that of the Earth. Planet P has a diameter P is equal to 1/3 that of the Earth. dE divided by 3. Okay. The mass of the Earth is 18 times that of the mass of the planet. See, whenever questions and statements are given, always mention the values. Really write down. The gravitational field strength of G is given, and what is the gravitational field strength at the surface of? So it is asking you to find out the value of Gp. How do you calculate? Simple problem. Nothing but G times mp divided by rp squared. That's what you need to know, right? So now let us substitute the values over here. G into what is mass of the planet? The mass of the planet here is 1 by 18 times mass of Earth. 1 by 18 times mass of Earth. I'll write this as m only, divided by r. What is r here? See, if diameter of the planet is equal to dE by 3, rp should be equal to r by 3, right? Yes. Both are diameters, radius also. So this should be r by 3. So I will write this as r by 3 the whole square, which I can now write this as gm into 1 by 18 divided by r square divided by 9, which should now be gm by r square into 9 by 18. 9 ones are 9 twos are. Now gm by r square, what is this value? It is nothing but g over here. So therefore the answer should be g by 2. Answer is B.